Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to Pops and Team channel. If you know you haven't subscribed to my channel before, you know this is your first time viewing my video, kindly subscribe right now. Just click on the subscribe button down below. That's what you're gonna do. Like my video and comment on my video. Thank you very much. Alright, today's videos, I'm gonna be showing you how to know, you understand, how to know if your gig is active on Fiverr. Yeah, those of you making use of Fiverr to make money. If you want to know maybe your gig is active on Fiverr and show a search engine, I would advise you to watch this video to the end for you to understand what I'm trying to say. You understand? So I'm gonna show you everything. I will move on to my own Fiverr account and I will show you everything. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright, so make sure you watch this video to the end and like my video and comment on my video. If you have any questions based on this, I will reply you immediately. Alright, so I'll be moving to my Fiverr account right now. Alright, so this is my Fiverr account. As you can see, I just have only one gig. Yeah, I just created this gig, so I want to know maybe it's active or not. Yes, I want to know maybe it's active or not. So alright, so the next thing you're gonna do just to scroll down like this and click on selling on Fiverr. Those of you making use of what desktop, like maybe or PC, is either desktop or laptop, so you will click on selling on Fiverr like this. Alright, so after click on selling on Fiverr, the next thing is you're gonna do just to scroll down. You will scroll down below like this. Just scroll down gently. Alright, so the next thing you're gonna click is for you to click content support. Yes, just click on content support like this. Yeah, click on content support. Yeah, after click on content support, the next thing you're gonna do, as you can see, we have account and security, buying on Fiverr, selling on Fiverr, community standard, and our times and services. But for you as a seller on Fiverr, you know, if you have a gig like just ordinary 1 gig, you have become a seller on Fiverr platform. So for you to check maybe your gig is active right now, the next thing you're gonna do is for you to click on selling on Fiverr like this. Yes, you have to click on selling on Fiverr. After that, as you can see, we have payment and withdrawal, orders, gigs, become a seller dashboard and statistic, more features for seller. But for you to check your gig, you click on gigs. Alright, as you can see, we have created gigs, edit my gigs. If you want to edit your gig status, get your gig statistic, gig not found when search. Yeah, there are 2 options for you to choose right here. It's either you choose gig status or gig not found when searched. Yeah, it is also the same thing. You will get the same result, but let's click on gig status like this. As you can see, my gig pop up. Now you just click on your gig and it will give you drop down like this. Can you see gig status active? Your gig is active and appears in search result. That is pretty cool, man. Yeah, it's pretty cool. If you also check, okay, let us back. If you also click on gig not found when search, you also get the same result. As you can see, gig status active, a gig is active and appears in search engine. This is pretty cool. So my gig is now appearing in search engine, so I cannot get started receiving order. Alright, thank you for watching my video. This is the end of this video. If you know you enjoy this video, if you know you get something, don't forget to subscribe to my video. Subscribe to Pops and Team. Subscribe to Pops and Team. Like my video and comment. If you have any question based on this, you can just comment down in the comment section below. I will reply. Trust me, I will answer immediately. Alright, thank you for watching my video once again. I love you all.